Welcome home to Maxwell Townhomes, one of San Antonio's best values in apartment living. At Maxwell Townhomes, we offer the best of both worlds, lush, mature landscaping, with a quality construction that you find in an established community, paired with a fresh new look and feel from our recent multi-million-dollar renovation. Enjoy an active lifestyle? Check out our 24-hour fitness center, including brand new state-of-the-art cardio equipment, weight machines, and a yoga area. Or how about brushing up on your golf game at the putting green, playing with the kids at the new playground, or letting your four-legged family member go for a run in the Bark Park? Want more? You may want to join neighbors for a quick pickup game of basketball, and then cool off later in one of our 2 saltwater swimming pools. Or just relax on the expansive pool decks. For dinner, you can enjoy grilling out on our gas grills poolside, or charcoal grills located in our shaded picnic area. Our internet cafe is another convenience you'll find at Maxwell Townhomes. Speaking of townhomes, inside your new apartment you'll find beauty and function with brand new kitchens featuring cherry finished cabinets, sleek black appliances, and barnwood designed plank flooring, plus new lighting and bath fixtures. Washer and dryer connections, cool ceiling fans, and warm wood-burning fireplaces are just a few more features you'll find in our spacious townhomes. Maxwell Townhomes is located in northwest San Antonio, between downtown and the University of Texas San Antonio. From here, you'll have easy access to major highways, including I-10 and I-410. And we are just minutes from great shopping options, along with a variety of dining choices and entertainment venues. Or you might prefer a fun evening downtown, shopping and dining at the popular San Antonio Riverwalk District. Either way, you'll be glad you made the choice to come home to Maxwell Townhomes.